The biological plot twist. Imagine this. One sperm, one egg, one single fertilized cell, and somehow it becomes two separate human beings, two heartbeats, two brains, two personalities, sometimes identical in face, but completely different in destiny. How does that even happen? Today, we are diving into one of medicine's most fascinating mysteries, the medical miracle behind twins. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at twins the same way again. The moment life begins, every pregnancy starts with fertilization. A sperm meets an egg forming a zygote. That zygote begins dividing rapidly through a process called mitosis, creating identical copies of itself. Normally, this cluster of cells forms one embryo, but sometimes something extraordinary happens. The embryo splits, and when that happens, we get identical twins, medically known as monozygotic twins. Mono equals one, zygote equals fertilized egg. One egg, one sperm, one genetic blueprint, but two humans. And here's the fascinating part: medicine still does not fully understand why the embryo splits. It's spontaneous, unpredictable, a biological mystery. Identical twins share nearly 100% of their DNA, are always the same sex, often look strikingly similar, but personality, that can be very different. Genetics gives the template. Environment shapes the outcome. Fraternal twins, the more common miracle. Now let's talk about the more common type. Fraternal twins, medically called dizygotic twins. Di equals 2. Zygote equals 2 fertilized eggs. In this case, the mother releases 2 eggs during ovulation. Each egg is fertilized by a different sperm. Result? 2 genetically unique siblings growing in the same womb. They share about 50% DNA, just like normal brothers and sisters. They can be boy and girl, 2 boys, 2 girls, look alike, or not at all. Fraternal twins are not rare, and in some parts of the world, they are extremely common. And here's where it gets interesting for us in Nigeria, the twin capital of the world. Did you know that Nigeria has one of the highest natural twin birth rates in the world, particularly among the Yoruba population in Igboora, Oyo State? Some theories suggest genetic predisposition, dietary factors, especially yam consumption, higher natural ovulation rates. Science confirms that fraternal twinning can run in families, especially through the maternal line, meaning if a woman's mother had twins, she is more likely to release multiple eggs. So yes, twins can run in families. The role of fertility treatments. Now let's move into modern medicine. Twin rates globally have increased over the last few decades. Why? Fertility treatments. Procedures like in vitro fertilization, IVF, stimulate ovulation or implant multiple embryos to increase pregnancy chances. Ovulation induction medications increase follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, encouraging the ovaries to release more than one egg. More eggs released equals higher chance of twins. In assisted reproduction, doctors sometimes transfer multiple embryos, increasing the probability of multiple gestation. This is why twin rates have risen worldwide since the 1980s. Medicine has unintentionally increased nature's miracle when twins share more than just DNA. Now here's where it becomes medically fascinating. Identical twins can share a placenta, monochorionic, have separate placentas, dichorionic. If they share a placenta, complications can arise. One example is twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome, TTTS, a condition where blood flow between twins becomes imbalanced. One twin receives too much blood, the other receives too little. Without intervention, this can be dangerous. But modern fetal medicine has developed advanced Doppler ultrasound monitoring, fetoscopic laser surgery to correct abnormal vessels. This is where medicine truly performs miracles. What was once fatal is now treatable. Phenomena that shock medicine. Some rare types include ear conjoined twins, when the embryo does not completely separate; ear mirror twins, where features appear reversed; air superfetation, extremely rare cases of 2 pregnancies at different times; Each case pushes the boundaries of embryology and maternal-fetal medicine, and reminds us how complex and delicate early human development is. Think about this. 2 separate nervous systems forming simultaneously. 2 beating hearts inside one womb. The uterus adapting to support double circulation. The maternal body increases blood volume significantly in twin pregnancies. Everything works harder. Twins are not just cute. They represent cellular precision, genetic duplication, hormonal orchestration, maternal physiological resilience. It's biology performing at full capacity. From a single microscopic cell to 2 fully formed humans with separate dreams, destinies, and personalities. Twins are not just siblings born together. They are a living reminder of how mysterious, powerful, and breathtaking human biology truly is. If you learned something new today, like this video, share it with someone who loves twins, and subscribe to My Health by Dr. J, where medicine meets clarity. Because when you understand your body, you respect it differently.
If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe or follow My Health by Dr. J for more important health videos.